students, this is Prakash Rath and we are discussing about class 8. Chapter is square and cube. Okay, and we are discussing exercise 1.2. Question is identify the perfect cubes in the given numbers. There are few numbers from which we need to find whether the number are perfect cube. For this we'll take prime factorization method. Let's take 800. We'll divide this 800 by 2. So 2 4 ja 8 0 0. Again divided by 2. 2 2 ja 4 0 0. 2 1 2 2 ja 4. Again 0 0. 2 1 ja 2 0 0. 2 5 ja 10. In this 0. 2 2 ja 4. 1 left. 0 is there. So 5 times. And now it cannot be divided by 2, so we need to take 5, not 3, because if you see this number is not divisible by 3. 5 ja. So what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. So hence this is only making a triplet, means pair of 3, and these are not. This 2 is 1 left, 2 into 2 is there, 1 more 2 required, only 5 is there, 2 more 5s required, so this is not a perfect cube. Let's see and understand with the other example. This is 22,000. If we divide this 22,000 with 2, this will be 2 1 ja, again 2 1 ja, 3, we need to take 3 zeros, 2 5 ja 10, 1 is there with this 0, this will be 2 5 ja again, this 2 zeros, 2 2 ja 4, again if you see 1 is there, 5 is there, so 7 ja, 1 is remaining here, 2 5 ja 10, 1 0 is there, okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 1 is there, and this is 5, so 7 times it can be divided with, okay, 7 ja 14, 1 is left, so we need to take 5 because 2 5 ja 10, and now the number we should divide is 5. 5 2 ja 3 left, 7 is there, so 5 7 ja 35, 2 and 5 25. So 5 times it can be divided. Again we'll divide this by 5. 5 5 ja, okay, 5 5 ja 25, 2 is left, 5 again 5 ja, now 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, there are 4 2's. What we need for perfect cube? 3 2's. So again, because of this 2, this will be not a perfect cube, because this 5 is also in a triplet, pair of 3. This 2 is also in a triplet, right? So both these numbers are not a perfect cube. Suppose the question says that what is the smallest number which when be multiplied by 256 will make the product a perfect cube. Again, what we need to do is we need to find the factors. We will find the factors here. As we see, the even number will divide this by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 is left with this 6, 16, 8 times, 2 again, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8, again we'll divide this by 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4, again this will divide by 2, 2 1 ja 1 is there, 2 is there, so 6 times, again we'll divide this by 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. If you see 16, do not directly divide by 4 because we are dividing this by prime numbers, and prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by that number only and 1. Okay, if you take 4, then 4 can be divided by 2 also, so we should not take 4. Okay, so the factors what we got is 2 into 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 2. Okay, this is in pair of 3, this is in pair of 3, but this is not. So what makes this a pair? One more 2. Okay, so the answer should be, so 2 is the number which when multiplied to 256 will make the number a perfect cube. All the questions in this exercise you need to do like this. I'll give you few questions to solve. Try to solve it. Use proper divisibility test and use the smallest number. Okay, if you see 81, do not multiply by 9. Okay, if you see 81, do not directly divide this by 9 because it can be divided by 3 and 9 is not a prime number. Okay, 9 is not a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Okay, I'm again saying prime number are those number which can be divided by that number only and 1. Okay, so I'll give you exercise also. Solve it, and if you face difficulty, then you can always WhatsApp me on 7000231487. Okay, thank you for now. Bye.